Hi guys, today is July the 7th, Tuesday, July the 7th, 2020 guys, and I wanted to come with another video on the Money SMS app guys. Just wanted to give you an update again. Now I have been receiving my text messages, and as you guys know, Money SMS is an app that you can download to your Android device, and for every text message that you receive, you'll be getting about 0.02 euros, and I have been getting my text messages, and right now I have earned 0.28 euros. And guys, as you know, I'm a hustler. I've been hustling and referring and sharing this app using my referral code with others on different social media platforms, and I've been really referring, and because of that I've been able to get referral commissions. Now your referrals actually get their text messages, and you earn 30% whenever they make their withdrawals. So whenever my referrals make a withdrawal, I earn 30%, and to date I have 2.95 in euros, and I've actually cashed out 6 times already, so that's super. Now guys, it's something that's important that I think you should know. If for any reason you have to change your phone number and you don't know what to do, here's what you do. I had to change my number recently, and I thought that that was going to really affect me with the Money SMS app, and I wasn't going to get my text messages again, but I started receiving my text messages with my new number. So if you are in a situation guys where you have to change your number that you have been using with Money SMS, all you have to do is just contact support, and I'm going to leave that for you in the description. All you have to do is just contact support at support@moneysmsapp.com, support@moneysmsapp.com. Just send an email to them, let them know what your old number is that you're using, let them know that you want to use a new number, give them your new number, clarify and state that you want to use your new number, and definitely put the new number as well as your old number in, and let them know you want to make a change to that new number so that your new number will be used to receive your text messages with Money SMS. So all you have to do is just contact support and you have no problems. So I've done that guys. I have my new number put in, and I have been getting no problems receiving my text messages. So just to let you know guys, I also have been hustling, as I said, receiving referrals, and to date I have actually 73 referrals with Money SMS. 73 referrals. So guys, if you want to follow a leader, you want to partner with me, just sign up with Money SMS app. You must have an Android device. Use my referral code 459DF5780. Download the app, use my referral code 459DF5780. Get your 50 cents bonus and get your text messages. Start earning for free. Just start running your app. All you have to do is just have your app running and you'll be earning, and you can definitely share your code on social media platforms and get referrals like I am. Follow a leader and partner with me. So guys, if you do need to change your phone number, contact support@moneysmsapp.com. It's very easy to do. So guys, with that said, I'll see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye bye.